Hi viewers, welcome to the session on AWS Glue. In this series of video, we will focus on latest topic, framework and tools used by data engineering team for solving complex problems. Data engineering is the designing practice and building systems for collecting, storing and analyzing data at scale. Data engineer is a person who is responsible for managing data workflows, pipelines and ETL processes. If you like this video, please do click on like button and subscribe. Getting on with the session, in this video we will use AWS Glue to perform simple ETL extracting data from CSV file and write to nosql database Cassandra. AWS Glue is a serverless data integration service that makes it easy to discover, prepare, and combine data for analytics, machine learning, and application development. AWS Glue is an event-driven serverless computing platform provided by Amazon as a part of Amazon Web Services. As a first step, we will log into AWS portal using your AWS credentials. Once you have logged in, you can click on AWS icon to get the list of services provided by the AWS. There you can search for AWS Glue and select. In that, you can click on Jobs. That will show the list of jobs already created. We have to create a new job. For that, we need to assign roles. For that, we use the IAM services. When you click on roles in IAM, it will show the list of roles already created. For this demo purpose, I have created a demo role, which has a default permissions assigned to it, as you can see in the reference. Now, getting back to AWS Glue. Now, we click on Jobs and try to create a new job using the Add Job button. We click on Add Job manually and we provide the name and assign the role created in IAM role. Since we are using our script, we will choose the option a new script to the authored by you. Here we have to provide the S3 path from where we are retrieving the data and code. For that, first we create a bucket in S3 service. We provide the name and click on Create Bucket option to create the S3 bucket. Inside the S3 bucket, we need to create folders where we can store our data and code. For that, we choose the S3 bucket option and we choose the option Create Folder. First folder, data, to store the data. Second folder, code, to store our script. And the third folder will be temp for the temporary purposes. Once these folders are created in the S3 bucket, we get back to AWS Glue. Here, we map the path we have created, choosing the option for code, then for temporary purposes, temp folder. Now, we click on Advanced Properties, see other options or default. Now, we have to choose workers type as standard and number of workers as 2 since we are using a basic configuration. Then we click on Next. And you can see we have an editor open where I will paste the code. Here in the first part, I have imported all the required libraries. In the second part, I have connected to the Cassandra database. And in Cassandra, I am trying to connect to the DB. Here, I have to provide the input file from S3 bucket. So I go to the location, data, where I will upload the data that I'm going to process in my AWS Glue. I'm upload it here. Once it is uploaded, I have to copy the path using the copy S3 option available. The date the file is loaded successfully. I use the copy S3 URI option and paste it inside the code to retrieve the file from the desired location. Now, in the next part, I provide the table where I have to store the process data. In our case, I have created a table as BO test case. I save it. Then I create the same table in Cassandra using the query. As you can see, the table is empty since I haven't processed the data. Now I'm going to run the job by clicking the Run Job button. As you can see, the file data has been processed and shown in the console. I will show you the data inside the file too, as you can see here. Now the data inside the table is updated.